Hi guys, I'm your Daksha teacher. Today I'm here to teach business studies for grade 9 students. Chapter number 29, uses of financial documents. So you all already know what are the financial documents. We have two financial documents, statement of comprehensive income and statement of financial position. Statement of comprehensive income shows the financial performance of the business. Statement of financial position shows the financial position of the business, where they have the assets, liabilities and the capital, and in income statement we have the profits and the taxes. So what do you mean by users of financial documents? Who are the people use these financial documents? So they have the list of people who uses the financial documents. We call them as stakeholders. So we have managers. Who are managers? Managers are the people who is managing the business. So why do they use this income statement and financial position? They use the financial documents to make decision making in the business. They make decisions in the business. So they need to know where their business is, the performance and the position of the business. So using that they take the decisions we call strategic decisions. And then we have employees. Who are the employees? Employees are the workers in the business. So workers means why do they need to know the income statement and position? They are dependent on the salary. So when they have more profits, they ask for the commissions and bonus. So they are interested in knowing that what is the profit of the business, and they also wanted to know the job security. If the business is going on a loss, they wouldn't be staying in the same place. They will be shifting to a new job. And then we have the owners and the shareholders. So why shareholders and owners are interested in financial documents? Because owners need to get the profit. If their business is going on a loss, they won't be continuing and they won't be putting more and more capital. So owners and shareholders are very much interested in the financial documents. Shareholders are interested because they need to know the dividend. What is dividend? Dividend is a percentage of share of the profit. So they need to know the profit, how much is the profit that the business gets. Then only they can decide whether the percentage that they are getting is the correct one or not. Then we have banks. Banks see our income statement and the financial position to give loans and to settle whether they have enough of money to settle the previous loans. To give loans as well as to see whether we have money to settle the previous loans. And we have suppliers. Suppliers, we see that when we don't have money, will suppliers supply their products? It's definitely not. So they are interested whether we are going for the profit or a loss in a business. Then only they will supply the products continuously. Then we have potential investors. Potential investors means the future investing people. Who are the people interested in business to invest in future? So they are if the business is going down and we are having losses, definitely they won't be investing in our business. So it is the income statement and financial position that makes their decisions to invest in our business. Then we have government. Government is interested in income statement and the financial position to make taxes, to give us a corporate tax. If you are having a company, it's a corporate tax. And if you are doing a sole trade or partnership, we have the income tax. Then we have competitors. Competitors are interested in financial statement to compete with them, to compare their business with the same industry business. So they say if I am having this much of profit, what is the profit that one of my other competitor is having? Then we have media. Media uses this to showcase their media times, like in the newspapers, so they advertise for that particular company. So if you see Nestle, it's very popular and multinational because of media. They do lots of advertisements and they have earning millions and millions of profits. Using the income statement, you can see it in Google, using their income statement. And we have tax authorities. Tax authorities are the organization who decides how much of profits your company have to pay. Example, if you are running a tobacco company, the tax authority has given you have to pay 40% of a tax. But if you are doing a school, it's just 28% of the profit you have to pay as a tax. So they are tax authorities who decide those decisions. And we have auditors. Auditors are the independent group of individuals who checks whether your account is accurate, whether you are giving an accurate statistics data. So those people we call as auditors, and they are independent and we can't influence auditors. And we have register of companies. It is an institution where you register your company. So in Sri Lanka we register our companies under the Company Act number 7 of 2007. So if you are registered, you have to submit your annual accounts annually within, if you start in the January, by the end of December you have to submit your annual accounts to the registrar of the company. Then why are we preparing and these people are interested? It's just to make decisions. What kind of decisions they are going to make with income statement and the financial position. Then we have making the funding decisions. That means how much of money the business need whether they are running out of the cash, or we have the shortage of cash, or we have the excess in cash. So we make funding decisions. If we want more money, we ask for the bank loans. So we go with the funding decision is that. Then we are reducing costs. When we are making income statement, we minus the cost of sales. So we see there are the expenses. Then if the expenses is high, we can reduce the cost of production. Then we say increasing profitability. Profitability is the ability of the business to earn the profits. Profit is a different concept and the profitability is a different concept. Profit is the return the business gets. Profitability is the ability the business have, the potential the business have to earn profit. So by seeing the income statement and financial position, these stakeholders can decide whether they can produce more profits or whether they can produce more losses. Then we have investment decisions. Investment decisions, most of the potential investors, shareholders are making investment decisions. If we are having profit only, they will come and invest in our business. If it is a loss-making business, they won't invest their own money. So there will be a loss in our business if this part is a bit low. So we always make investment decisions are always in high secure. So I hope you guys understood the lesson very well. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you all.